class 9. Today I am going to teach you another topic of commercial studies, that is sole proprietorship. Now see, meaning of sole proprietor. Sole means single, one. Okay. Sole proprietorship means a business owned, financed and controlled by a single person. Sole proprietorship means a business owned, financed and controlled by a single person. The owner called the proprietor. The owner is known as the proprietor, who alone is responsible for the profit and loss of the business. So, in sole proprietor, the owner himself is responsible for all the profit and loss of the business. And see, he alone, what he do? He owned, means he is the boss of the business. He financed, he himself financed the business, and he only control, he himself control the business. So, sole proprietorship is a business owned, controlled, financed by a single person, and that single person is responsible for all the profit and all the loss of that particular business. Moving on the next, that is definition of sole proprietorship. Now see, a sole proprietorship has no legal existence, means they are not existing apart from the proprietor. If they apart from the proprietor, means if the owner apart from the business, then the business does not have any existence. He is the firm. He himself is the firm. He himself is the firm. Because without him, because I told you before also, he is manage, control, finance, everything he is doing himself. So, if he will be separate from the business, so the existence of that business will be vanished. So, he himself is the firm, he is the person behind that firm, or you can say he is himself a firm. For example, if I am running a business my own, alone, if I will be not operating it anymore, so the business will also be vanished. It will also be closed. It will be not in existence anymore. So, it is very important for a proprietor to be in his business. Then only it will be complete. Otherwise, no use. Moving on the next topic, that is features or characteristics of sole proprietor. As we have already discussed about the meaning and the definition, now we are going to see what are the features, what are the characteristics that a sole proprietorship business should have. Okay, first, single ownership, means the business have a single owner. No one else is there who is owing, means having the control on the business. As I told you before also, the sole proprietor is the only person who is controlling that business, you can say. Okay. Second, one man control. In sole proprietorship, the control of the business in the hand of one person only, because this is sole proprietor, only single person owns the business, control the business and finance the business. So the control means whatever work he has to do, he will do himself only. And in the single ownership, he is the only owner. Whatever the profit, loss, debts, finance, everything he will be managing. On one man control, he will be controlling all the things. All the internal, external matter, whatever the things are there, he himself have to control all the things. No legal entity. I told you before also, if the proprietor separate himself from the sole proprietorship, then the business will not in the existence anymore. It's not having any its own legal entity. It does not have any legal entity. Next, no profit sharing, means the sole proprietor he don't have to share his profit with anyone. He is the only owner. So whatever the profit is his only. He will not give a single penny to anyone. Even in the case of loss also, he is the only responsible for loss. Whatever loss will be there, he have to bear. He will be not, he can take loan, but that loan also he have to repay himself only. No one else is going to share his profit or as well as loss. Last, no legal formalities. Like, for example, they don't have any legal formalities, means they don't have to do any type of paperwork or anything. Why? Because single person, no need of making an agreement, no need of making a legal, see, they are not having legal entity also, so no need of registration also. So the legal formalities are no legal formalities are there. He is simply own, earn, control, manage, everything can be done himself only. See, first, single ownership, he is the only owner of his business. He is earning, he is doing whatever he wants to do. Second, single control. All the controlling, all the working, all the controlling will be held by him only. Next, no legal entity means they are not have a legal, separate legal entity. If the proprietor is there, then only sole proprietorship business is there. Otherwise, it is vanished. It is not there. Fourth, sorry. No profit sharing. He will not share profit with anyone, or he will not share his loss also with anyone. Why? Because he is the single owner of the business. No legal formalities in this, because he is not compelled that he have to register his business. So there is no legal formalities. When no partner is there, no registration is there, so the formalities are also not there. These are the features of sole proprietorship. I hope you have understood.